Hey guys, this is a quick DIY video, and it's a video on these braids that I have. And you guys, how I style my braided wig. Yes, this is a DIY braided wig. I did it myself, and the specs on this hair is that I use 4 packs of expressions, and I do have a 2.5 inch deep frontal. I originally had 13x4 frontal, but then I cut it in 2, and I used half for the kinky curly styling wig, and I will leave a link below to that video. And then I used the other half, which was for this style, and I just braided it, and here it is. So stay tuned for the rest of the video because I have some styling ideas and how I apply this wig. So thanks for watching.